apartment we've ever looked at together. The first apartment we didn't really show because it was kind of on a whim. It just looked really cute, but there were a lot of things. Not the apartment was beautiful itself, but the area was a little bit far, which is the main thing. And it was a little bit expensive, I think, for what it was. So we are looking at hopefully a dream apartment. This is like a dream area for me, so excited about this one. Yeah, I think it's kind of like the way I see it in terms of moving. It's more like, it's like dating, you know? It's like finding a boyfriend. It's like you only wanna move if it's the right one. But like, it's okay, we're good where we are. We're good being single and thriving. But if we find something that's perfect, we're gonna go for it.
Hi Rachel, it's your new super.
So we just heard this morning that we got approved for our dream apartment.
Woo!
Yeah, so I guess we have our signing, we sign lease tomorrow, and then I guess we get the keys. Is that how it works?
I have no idea.
How excited are you?
Stoke!
Yeah. It's our dream apartment.
It's so cute.
Just in time for your birthday.
Oh, it's my birthday present.
Yeah, happy birthday.
This is so cute.
Oh my god!
Nice. Nice. Oh my god, yo, this is actually pretty big. We can definitely fit. You could fit a king in here. I mean, it'll take up the whole room, but it'll fit. I think a queen.
A queen?
Queen's good. Oh, I never really looked at the first closet door.
I never looked at anything.
We can always rearrange those shit, but we'll up too. Oh, fresh, super fresh.
Literally brand new.
Ooh, yeah, wow, look at that. Ooh, look at that cupboard storage.
Wow, we should have done this really when we looked at it.
I know. I mean, I think.
Nice sink.
Oh, wow, look at that. Oh, and the water's already running. Lit.
That's because the water's on for the whole building like this.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice.
Oh, we have so much storage.
Nice.
Where's my clothes will go?
I honestly feel like this is not even going to be like cooking storage. It's going to be like life storage.
That's what I mean. And my plan though is like really to only feel like.
Just that. Honestly, just all we need is spices up here and some plates. 3 outlets, 4 outlets, 4 outlets in the living room.
We're here. Good light. Yes. Oh my gosh, so excited. Love you. What is it though?
Oh my god, yeah, we looked at this card.
Yeah, we almost got this card for you. Aww. Yay.
It's so supreme today.
I know. Look at Dylan. Miss Supreme. I know, it's funny.
Oh,
What is
my
it?
God, you got
Oh my god, guys, that is too much. What? Are you serious? Oh my god, thank you so much. This is all we needed. We don't even need any other furniture. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. That's so amazing. Well, thank you so much.
Oh wait, no.
Oh.
Not came with cups. I was like, wow. Friendly coffee maker. And it's just good coffee, so there's that.
Yeah.
It's really warm.
I know, sorry, it's really hot.
No, it's like sweaty all day. It's this weather. You know?
Yeah. Ooh, what's this?
Oh, I see fun things here.
There's a few fun things.
Oh,
That I got
Where's this from?
it. It's another Japanese like mini so.
I think they're elastic. It's very cute. Oh, they're so cute. I don't have any of these. Like, really? Oh, these are so cute.
Are they cute? On my hand today?
Yeah,
It
okay.
makes it really smooth.
Ooh, I'm excited. I've heard very good things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like,
Wow.
shiny, shiny.
Shiny.
There are cute girls and
Oh,
smart
yeah.
girls.
Quick, it's just a little cookie.
Oh, Andy. Yeah.
Oh, cute! I didn't know they come in those now.
This is new.
Wow,
Wow, do something new.
That's so cute.
Thank you.
Of course.
Oh yeah, they always say this. Book a custom.
Oh yeah, you can do custom makeup.
I can do that.
Oh, and this is like the gift receipt in case you want to like
thanks,
exchange.
guys. Perfect.
Yay!
Oh hey, I didn't see you there. Welcome to my empty apartment. So currently, it's very echoey, you guys can hear. This is the foyer. So
yeah, it's a foyer. So we have closet number 1 right here. We're not sure we're going to put in it. I think it's going to be a lot of my mail and our shoes and stuff like that. My mom's going to help me out a lot, so I'm grateful. We have a light switch. On this side, we have a really deep closet. It fit 1, 2, 3 people.
Wow.
And you could be as tall as Kawhi, just about. So you guys can see we have a full-length mirror, which is pretty lit. And this is going to be our bedroom. It's not that big, but I like it. We have a beautiful window facing like a gorgeous street. We'll call this a step-in closet.
Ooh, nice.
And because you can step in, definitely. This will be Dylan's room.
Jump
It's
to the
so-
left, jump to the right.
Look, can't even see me. So we have our hallway, and I'm planning to do maybe a gallery wall. I mean, you can't really enjoy it because it's like clearly this is not very big. And to the right, what's behind door number like 5 at this point? This is our bathroom. So you walk in here. This is our bathroom. We have a walk-in shower.
Ooh, I love that noise.
We need some WD-40 for that. Yeah, we don't have anything in here yet. I brought some toilet paper and some hand soap. But what's great about our apartment is that it's like the bathroom and the kitchen are both like newly renovated. So like there's still like sticker film on like everything. So we're the first people to use like pretty much all the appliances and all like the plumbing and everything, which is great because who wants to share a toilet? Not me. This closet will be our YouTube closet. So in here, it's actually a pretty good size as well. Hello. So this is our kitchen. It's very small, it's just right off this hallway, so you guys can see. Hallway, kitchen. This was also newly renovated, like it's brand new, amazing, and I love that it's all white. The dark countertops I wasn't a fan of, but now that they're growing on me, I think they really work for the space and they're going to stay looking nice for a really long time. And they're like a stone, like they're not laminate. Not a fan of laminate. Beautiful cupboards, and they just have so much space, like all the way to the top. I don't intend on filling them all. We have our brand new microwave, cool. We have our little mini stove. This is like a miniature stove, it's so cute. But again, like brand new, like this hasn't been used. It looks like it just came from the store. We have all these drawers. We got my sage, because we're gonna sage the apartment. Should do that today. We have a great sink, more storage. Honestly, like just storage galore. And then we also have what I consider a luxury for a space like this, which would be a dishwasher. We didn't, honestly, that wasn't like something on our list, but I'm glad we have it. So we have a little dishwasher. It's mini, but it's very, very cute. And then over here we have our Nespresso. So Sarah Daniel got this for us, well, for Dylan's birthday, so that's like our housewarming gift. And I love it, and it's white, and we've never had an espresso before, and I really wanted one, so happy we have this. So thank you, Sarah Daniel. Subscribe to them if you haven't already. They have great stuff. And then here is our white fridge, which is also like brand new, guys. You're not gonna believe this. So inside, it still has every single sticker. So like it's brand new, which like, this was obviously not something that we were looking for, but I'm so glad that we have. Like, so much space. Over here we have a little nook. We're still deciding what to do over here, but we were thinking, my mom was thinking, if we covered the radiator, if we just did a giant, like, banquette here and did 2 little stools, just so we can have our coffee in the morning here.
That'd be pretty
And read
cute.
the paper, you know, all that stuff. Let's turn around. To where the magic happens, this is going to be our living room, this is going to be the filming space, this is going to be our office, if you will, like this is going to be everything. So this is the living room. So we are imagining an L-shaped sectional. That's it. Oh, we need a dining space because we like to eat at a table, so we're going to do that. This is our fireplace. What's great about our building is that it's very old and very historical, which means that there's a lot of like character in here. If you notice, we have crown molding, we have radiators still, we have this great fireplace, which isn't fully functioning, but they put an outlet here, which is really smart of them, which means that we could probably find something that fits here and plug it in and do like an actual fireplace. But I think this will be a really cute little filming setup, and we can put all my candles here and everything, maybe a plant, we'll see. Yeah guys, welcome to the new digs. Hope you guys like it. If you guys have any home tips, let me know by leaving something in the description box below, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye guys.